This is the M1 southbound, just near junction 35 at Rotherham on the 23rd of April 2025. So here's South Yorkshire Traffic Police hogging the middle lane of the M1. Now anybody else probably would have stopped them and given them a ticket, but there's no other cars there, and really they should be in the inside lane. So how can they go stopping people and giving them tickets for lane hogging if they're not prepared to honour the same rules that they enforce? Very, very bad example from South Yorkshire Police.